servant-hearted, service and love going hand in hand. Genuine service can't be separated from love. We can go through the motions of serving God, but if our hearts are not in it, we're missing the point. According to 1 Corinthians 13, unless service is rooted in love, it is meaningless. According to 1 John 4, verse 9 to 11, serving God out of a sense of obligation or duty, apart from love for God, is not what He desires. We can only give what we've first received. The reason we can love and serve God is that He first loved and served us through Jesus Christ. If you want to serve God, the key is to get to know Him. According to John 16, verse 13, the Holy Spirit will reveal Him. And according to 1 John 4, verse 8, if we get to know Him, our natural response is a desire to love and serve Him in return.